Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have admin rights and required recovery info. Now begin. Go to Business Suite and open Settings Accounts. Once there, add each asset, Pages, Add Accounts, Instagram, Catalogs. Make sure to enter exact account ID and assign yourself full permissions so you can manage content and billing. If a partner manages assets, request role updates now. This step prevents permission roadblocks later and establishes the single control plane you'll use for publishing, ads, and insights. With assets linked, configure operational workflows. Create posting schedules and content labels so you can batch schedule and maintain consistent cadence. Assign approvers to prevent last-minute edits. Then connect billing, set your default payment method, and verify pixel and custom audiences are mapped to conversion events so ads report correctly. Also enable the unified inbox and automate replies for common queries. This keeps response times low and preserves engagement metrics. These middle steps convert setup into repeatable daily operations. Now launch and verify everything. Publish a controlled test post and run a small ad campaign for 24 to 48 hours to confirm delivery and tracking. Once done, review the Insights dashboard for reach, engagement, and conversion signals over the next 72 hours. Make sure UTM tags and pixel events match expected behavior. If metrics are missing, recheck user roles, pixel placement, and billing status immediately. Correcting those 3 items resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.